talaga is katulad ng mga ina-expect nyo. Thank you, Rukawa. I hope you can give me a car. Thank you, inactive. Ngayon ka na lang ulit na padaan. Hayaan niyo yan, guys. Hindi naman ako apektado sa mga pinagsabi ng mga yan kasi hindi naman totoo. Thank you, Daddy. Thanks, Daddy Rude. Welcome back to my life. Can you give me a call? Skincare routine. I don't have any skincare. I just washing my face with facial wash only. That's all. Skincare routine po ba? Tingnan nyo. Grabe breakout. Hello, have a great, wonderful evening at you, my beautiful, lovely friend. How's your day? My day is good. It went well. Para sa stress na student, kaya blessed skin, I would say. Hindi talaga siya blessed skin. Tignan nyo mga sobrang pangit ng ano, pag walang makeup. Nahahawa ako sa kasipagan mo mag-aral.